Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. In today's video, we will cover how to quickly and easily convert text into video with help of AI. In my past videos, I have discussed how artificial intelligence can be used to transfer text into images and audio recording. For those tutorials, the link is in my video description. So on the same lines, in this video, you will learn about 4 AI websites that can transform your text into videos. It's an absolute breakthrough in automation and personalization of different tasks. If you are running a business and you have to reduce your cost, or you want to get more creative with your promotions by creating your own videos, this technology will help you to do that. So let's check out the first one I want to cover is Kyber. Two things I like about Kyber is the ease with which it allows you to create the video and the amazing quality it provides. You do get 30 credit points when you sign in, and after that you have to take the premium. So here I am on the Kyber site. I'll go ahead and log in. You have to sign up if you are coming in here first time. So I'm already logged in. So here if I want to create a video, I can just go in here. So now here you have two options. Either you can upload your own file and get it edited, or you can create something that you want. You can either take something from here or you can type something of your own. So what I want is like a futuristic cyberpunk city, and I can continue to settings. I can also describe what kind of style I want. I want something like 3D render. Let's check this out. This is the ratio that I'm thinking of. So here it's asking me for frame. I'll go ahead and choose this one. So this is the video that it's created. Let's click this out and see how it's looking. So if you see, this is the video that it created. And of course, once you download it, you can edit it the way you want. But if you can see the quality with which it's providing, it's pretty amazing. Second I'll be covering is DID. The best thing about it, human avatar that you can create yourself. It can either be you or you can use any other template. You can add whatever script you want and then that avatar will be reading that. So let's go ahead and try it out. Here also you have to log in or sign up. By default it gives you 20 credit. Since I have already created 2, so now I'm left with 18 credits. It's very easy to create one. So you just have to go ahead, create a video. You can choose your presenter. Either you can create for yourself or you can add your photo to create your own presenter. Let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and I'll choose something from here. Let's choose this one. And this is what I wanted to read. I have already copy pasted the content. So it's kind of like a self-promotion. You can also add this new button. With the help of this, if you write part of text, rest it will add it itself. So this is my script and this is the avatar that I'm using. Let's go ahead and generate the video. It's already created. So let's go ahead and try it out.
Hello all. Please like and subscribe to Learn with Techies. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Much love, Nina.
So if you can see, it's looking so good. And the good thing is here is you can change. You can either change the voices that you want, or you can change the type that you want, whether you want it like what kind of style you want the person to speak. It's pretty crazy and you should give it a try. What I want to talk about is Steve.ai. So the best thing about this is like it gives you template. You don't have to put an effort to create all of the text yourself. It provides you with a template. You just have to use that template and you can change it however you want. But the main script is there. You can just go ahead and make some changes and your video is ready. So let's go ahead. So this is the one that I used. This is for auto insurance. This is the scene that it's having. I can go ahead and change anything I want. Now I can choose the source. I can choose what type of video. Do you want a live video or an animation video? I'll click on next. I can choose the design style. Let me go ahead with this one. So if you see, it has already created this. So if you see, it's so easy. Within few seconds, I just created a video for you from just these text. There are 2 other honorary mentions that I want to make here. So first is the Meta Make a Video. So this is a new state-of-art AI system that Facebook is generating, and the public still don't have access to that. But what I can see from their homepage, it seems pretty promising. The second I want to cover is the one created by Google. This is the Imagine. And if you can see the home page here, this is also not available to public as of now, but if you can see the images or the videos are quite clearer than what we have on Facebook. So that's it for today. Do comment in the video below which website you like the most or which one will you be using and how. Do like and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos like this, and I'll see you again in the next video of What's New in Tech. Thank you.